Hello Udo users and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will see the step-by-step guide for Spring GDS Udo shipping integration. So let's get started. As we download the application from the Udo App Store, we will do the company level settings first. So for that we will navigate to settings, user and companies, and go to companies. Here we have configured the demo database. So we will mention the general information about our company and go to Spring GDS configuration. As we check this box, we will mention the API URL and key that is provided to you by the shipping provider, that is Spring. After that, our company level configuration gets completed. Now we will do the shipping level configuration. For that, we will navigate to the sales module, go to configuration and go to delivery methods. Here we have configured Spring shipping service. So as we open it, we have the configuration over here. We will select the company directly from the drop down in case if we have more than one company in our Odoo database. So we will select any of the company. Next is package info. There are different types of packages that can be configured over here. You can configure over here and go to the internal link. Here you will mention the size of the packages and the carrier as well, as you can see over here. Here weight can also be mentioned. Next is services tab. So there are different types of services provided by Spring and we have configured them all over here. You can select any one of them as per your requirements. Now we will go to the sales order creation. So let's create one sales order. We will add the customer, we will add the product, and the quantity is mentioned, so we will add the shipping. Select Spring shipping service and add it. Now we will confirm this, so the delivery order gets created. So as you can see, the quantity is already done. We will go to the additional information and validate this delivery order. On validating, the tracking reference will be fetched over here and label will be generated. So here is the shipping label. Shipping label for the shipment is generated. Here is the tracking reference, as you can see, and here is the tracking smart button which you will be able to navigate. Here in the demo version you might not be able to navigate, but otherwise you will be able to navigate to the particular shipping site. And here is all about Spring GDS shipping service. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@bazaartechnologies.com. Thank you.